So if y'all haven't made arepas in your life yet, wait till you see how incredibly easy they are to make. So the way I make arepa, the arepa flour, which is called masa arepa, it's white or yellow. I'm heating a little bit of milk on the stove. I add just a tablespoon of butter to that milk. And I usually go 1 cup arepa flour to 1 cup and like a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of milk. Up to you how loose you want it. A pinch of sugar, then pour in that warmed milk. The milk does not have to come to a boil or anything. Just pour in the warm milk and of course butter and mix it together. And believe it or not, that is it. That's how easy it is to make arepas. I let this batter just kind of sit for a good 5 minutes at the most. And after it does, you get a really pliable batter that's super easy to use. So in this case, I decided to cut a piece of like farmer's cheese, and I put just a small piece inside of the arepa. So you basically have the bottom, put the little piece on top, you put more on top to enclose the whole thing, and you really want it to be completely closed because you don't want the cheese to seep out. And then you place it in to the oil. So what happens is you get a really crisp kind of a corn flavor on the exterior and a melting cheese on the interior. And you can slide in your favorite fillings and put your cheese in later. But I love, and my son loves, the melting cheese. So here you have a little opening, like a little sandwich, and you can fill this with your favorite fillings. How easy was that? It takes 5 minutes. You can make my arepas with my recipe online at checkpleasefl.com.